Almost everyone knows about the portrait mode and everyone wants it. Here's how you can capture portrait mode photos on your Android device, which are even better than the iPhone 10. But before that, please make sure to subscribe my channel and help me to complete our goal of 500 subscribers. So let's get started. So first of all, you have to download one camera app, the links of which are given in description. After installing app, open the app. It has a simple user interface. Now swipe to right and click on the lens blur option. Here you will see some guidelines on how to capture the portrait mode photos. To capture the portrait mode photos, make sure you are in adequate light. Now just simply tap the shutter button and move your device slowly upwards. After capturing the photo, it will take some time to process and render the image. So wait until it fully renders the image and you will get to see amazing results. While capturing, make sure you move your device slowly upwards and you are in good lighting condition. And boom, you can see how good the background is blurred. There is another plus point that it can capture the portrait mode with front camera also, which even some costlier devices can't do. You have to follow the same procedure of capturing and moving your device slowly upwards. After fully rendering of image, there is one option by which you can also adjust the blur at the background. Just move the slider towards the left or right to refocus the image. Now click on done and it will render the image again. Here are some samples taken with this app. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Like this video, share it and subscribe my channel for more awesome videos. My name is Tushar and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, be happy and do something constructive.